next exercise we are going to do is going to involve a straw. Now that you've connected your mind to your diaphragm muscle. And your goal is going to be to breathe in through your nose and then push out through the straw. Slowly, steady, keep it consistent. You're trying to be very focused with the amount of air that you're pushing through. When you think that you're out of air, use your diaphragm and the muscles below to push in and up. Think about your belly button pushing in and up and the muscles surrounding it, in and up to get the rest of the air out.